Lot S135 is a 1961 Chevrolet Impala bubble top with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and a 4-speed transmission. And it bid to $47,000, but did not sell on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 93,129 miles. And the highlights are 350 cubic inch small block V8 engine, dual 4-barrel carburetors, headers and dual exhaust, detailed engine bay, 4-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, AM/FM radio, new wheels and tires, and hubcaps. And this one was a nice build. Somebody did a great job putting it together. You don't see too many 350s with dual quads, but this was one of them. And had some different touches on it. Had a good look to it. The sleeper look with the dog dish hubcaps. But the bubble tops are hot right now, and a little surprised this one didn't do a little better and sell, but sometimes that's the way it goes. It wasn't enough money for the seller. Didn't have two buyers that both really wanted it. So he ended up taking her back home and try it again down the road. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.